In this video, we're going to do a multiplication. It's going to be a 1-digit by a 3-digit number. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 132 times 2. So in the past, we've been using models to do this kind of calculation and breaking it down using place value. So we would break this down into hundreds, tens, and then ones and do the multiplication individually. If you need a refresher, there's a link below to that video. You could take a look at it. And the reason why we did it that way is because it shows you the traditional way that you're going to do multiplication going forward. So you break it down in terms of place value. So first you multiply the ones. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then you're going to multiply the tens. So 2 times 3 is 6. You could see the colors there that show what we're doing. And then finally, multiply the hundreds. So 2 times 1, and that equals to 2. So the number that we're looking for is 264. The product is 264. So don't worry if you don't understand this. You could take a look at one of my previous videos to help you understand why it's done this way. But this is how it's done. Also, there's an ebook available. If you need that, it would be a good resource to have.